We ended up breaking a world record.
So this here is the biggest lemon battery the world has ever seen.
We used more than 1,000 lemons and squeezed out 1,200 volts.
We've got a world record!
So my name is Saiful Islam. I'm a professor of material science at the University of Oxford, and I was privileged and honoured to give the 2016 Christmas lectures on the theme of energy. Part of the lecture I had to show how a battery worked, and one of the school experiments we used was a lemon.
A lemon.
And I remember using one lemon for the demonstration. I said to the Royal Institution, I don't want to use one lemon. In fact, I don't want to use a few lemons. I want to go large, very large.
Over 1,000 lemons. In fact, we cut them up in half and sliced them to make 2016 lemon slices. So this is cutting edge technology.
And at that time, it was a Guinness World Record.
3, 2, 1. So what does it read, Craig?
I'm very pleased to say it reads 1,275. So you've more than broken the Guinness World Records title. Congratulations.
Great. So, thank you. Yeah. We've done it! We've got a world record!
I think the beauty of the Christmas lectures are the demonstrations and the real engagement with young children and young adults. I think you want to inspire them to think about what science means, that science can have a real sense of discovery, a real sense of beauty, but also it's a way of understanding the world around them. So my proudest moment was getting a world record on the Royal Institution Christmas lectures.